So what is the trick to hill starts?
Hill starts, okay. So when hill start, obviously stay relaxed because it can be panicking when you want to move off because the biggest thing that you're afraid of is a car rolling back. So obviously make sure your handbrake's on. Do not use your foot brake to hold the car in place because your handbrake does a good job of holding your car in place. With your clutch, bring it up to where you normally would. And what you do is you bring the clutch up a little bit more so you can feel the car's just about to move off. You'll notice the back of the car goes down. It feels like the car wants to go. Now, normally you're afraid of stalling when you're going to move off. Now, stall happens when the engine speed drops below 1,000 RPM. So very gently, get your foot onto the gas pedal on the bottom right, your toe on the bottom right corner. Apply pressure to the gas pedal so the needle on the rev counter stays above 1,000 RPM. And all you got to do is, as you release the handbrake and the car starts moving, obviously the load's going to go on the engine and engine speed is going to start decreasing. So you counteract that by giving a little bit extra gas so the engine speed stays above 1,000 RPM and the car will move off.